Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. I already have a many. I joke. I think it's name.
Thank you all so much. Keep clicking on the share button as you join, okay? Just keep sharing. Time out. Okay. Mommy and Papa them, I will always talk for pigeon. Time out, Derry. I always talk for pigeon. So that all man will there for any place when I'm Bazonia make you hear me very well. When you join this show, you just go click on share, make it go far away. Me all man receive the message. I be telling us everything. Say time will come when God will fight for we. Where information will be available for all ambassadors that will see the truth. For which we don't cry, we don't talk for 1 year. Mommy and Papa them, I want to salute all man when you watch for all the camps. Give me a minute. Just 1 minute, please. Go upstairs now. Go. Time out. So, thank you so much. As soon as you share. We already over 1,000 just now. We thank all my way to join. Just keep sharing. And you put hashtag CDN. You write inside with the watch. This show will get chronology. We'll be happy to say all things don't fall in place. Since yesterday, can't reach today, we know I hear no one audio. Where some Sakwe person don't move and talk, say that document where Eric Tatoka show up na so because it is online. The American government release them. Now American government release them. So just 1 quick minute. Just share extensively as you join. As you join, you share so that we get all man. Derek. Alright, you know sometimes it is very difficult to deal with this speaking them, you know, but we'll keep trying. As you come on, you share extensively. Just the share. Thank you so much. It be now very clear. Before I want to start with Tan Aringwa. Just a minute. We'll get a little bit of come here, come. You don't listen, right? Do you listen? Upstairs, go. All right. So, thank you so much for the patience. You know, our people, their prayers they never go in vain. If you watch me from Nigeria, for refugee camp, your prayer never ever go in vain. Any time you watch me, God don't listen to your prayer. You have to fight for justice, for truth. Whether it cost you, yesterday and going forward, God don't answer your prayers. All man for Grand Zero already don't suffer all this time. All now for a corner where they don't burn in the houses. Family members are for Mommy Happy, Mommy and Papa for Baby Mata, the wife and the children of Sam Sawyer, all the people on Jinika Gem, all man were there for Batty Boy where they don't burn in house, put there for Bessie, for Guzang, all now for Widikum. All started to watch me for Boya, for Menji, for Wabani, for Mato. Oh man, God don't answer on our prayers. For independence movement, for go ahead, God can forgive the Ambazonian people a clearer vision of how they get for sort out manipulators and thieves. If you not get internal cleansing, you not be ever get external cleansing. Where it means say, if your eye, dirty there for your eye, you not move them. You not be ever see road. For go move bigger dirty for some eye. Our own eye be get dirty. But God don't bless we don't see the dirty, and now we remove the dirty. Yesterday, just for emphasis, for people who not be there for my live show, for the first time, God be blessed we for lay our hands on an international document when a U.S. government for America, Donald Trump, the president waiting for chair now, the administration, now he published that document because all man where they collect money for America, they must publish the money where they don't collect and where they see them for bank. So I've been already shown, I don't see those documentation, that document they all over. So when we publish a document, I will take 2 minutes to talk about the document again. Now Aringwa says I don't take phone. He call FBI for Sako because Aringwa one dodge, but he dey inside the soup. I will explain for all now. I don't come here and I can't talk say Mr. Man hate some person or Mr. Man can curse some person. But if we come, me all will take ourselves as Ambazonians them, make we see the truth and the reality. And I will God don't bless we today, all man they see the truth and the reality. I will go step by step again for 2 or 3 minutes for show people the way they watch today when not be see them yesterday and compare them be see yesterday not be fit do them when they see family for do them. Make them get now the way to where we talk. The government for America, it don't release all money where Sako be collecting for my trip to Boya. And as all would not be aware, Sako become tell we. And it is still tell we until yesterday when we talk again. And also that they plan the lies the way one can talk. If we can't talk, say, all man for Ambazonia be no. Say they raise now how much? They raise now 811,000. 811,000 will be equivalent to close to 600 million. For Israel 811,000. Sako no show no proof until now. No place not the way he buy even up to 10 guns, 10 AK-47. But the two have been interesting. Now say, Sako now be no say Ambazonian God, because when you talk true, God will bless your way, you will get information. So man must look how you suffer, you cry. He must give some timing, show your people them for increase and multiply your trust. Yesterday, we got a leak scope, a leak lit. We come educate our people. It shows say, Sako them, John Egewan, Pastor Tata, the rest of that cabal, Chris Anu. It shows that we, the Ambazonian people, will actually contribute 1.3 million, 33,000 something US dollars. That means almost 1.4 million. You talk about more than close to 800 million, almost 1 billion CFA, where the Ambazonian people be contributing for this revolution. Wait till happen, but Sako can declare, say he actually received now 811,000. I will show now the document, they online for IRS. IRS now the only organization or organ where for America, no money the job with they call it Uncle Sam. If you like to get money, or you get waiting, you like your bank account hide now for who side, IRS they go take the money where you owe it. Now the only organization that the only arm of American government if you take Trump in money, if you owe Trump in property, the rest, any other person, even judge for court, must ask permission for bank, for document, and for do anything. Let's say they won't take your money, they must ask permission. But IRS is supersede, pass bank, and don't take the money. So these people don't release tax return. Tax return means you declare all which way you receive them, whether it be NGO, you declare them, then you show them. So Sakogo declare 1.3 something million, 1.4 million. That's what we talked about yesterday. All my watch you don't actually see that document, but I will repeat about point you never see them. I will do the tutorials again for 3 minutes. Now the website, this one I go read them, all man the writer. Thank you so much. As you come online, you share. If you go for HTTPS 2 dot, that's column, they get 2 slashes, that's slash apps dot irs dot gov slash app slash eos slash. I will read them again. For my meeting, for any play with them. If you don't know them, call your picking, come say my picking. Write it to where every cat on the top. Man, find and tomorrow go take my eye chop Christmas. I will read them. HTTPS 2 dot, that's column. You put 2 dot, kakak. Either for your keyboard, for computer, or for your phone. You can put slash apps dot irs dot gov. Governor gov dot, no, after gov when I dot, that's irs dot gov slash app slash eos slash. When you put them, 1 minute. So when you put them now, you go, when you click for there, don't put out that website. You click for there, bam. You go take you go for the page I be showing yesterday. When you go for the page, you go see some bars them where they go show you. The first thing you come on and select database. Inside you'll see select all, not go for there. You'll see search by employer identification number. Click for here, that bar for that employment identification number. When you click, something will come out for under, 2 things will come out: employment identification number and organization name. So you not get the employment identification number. But if you find the company through the organization name, you click for it, it will come. When the organization name comes, you can enter for search terms. You put the name of the organization. Where the name now waiting, Ambazonia, just like Ambazonia Foundation. Where like Ambazonia Foundation, you come down, you'll see search. You click there, you'll take you go for Amba. When you click, you'll see the page go refresh. When you refresh, you go up again. You scroll go up, you'll see Ambazonia Foundation Inc. Now the document that way support the user, we all man know. Now, when you click for here, you go take you go now for some other page. Ambazonia Foundation will give you the EIN number, you give determination letter, you give publication data, then you come right here, you get copies of returns 990990-EZ. You come right down, you can find out tax year. You'll see tax year for your phone. Listen, you'll see tax year 2018 from 90 because of 2019 to 18 tax that. You click for there, you'll come now, go the next bar, go drop there, go see return type 990 copy of returns. You click for here, you'll see tax return will come bam. You'll see all the documents will come out. Now IRS, the American government put it online. People there they sit down. You get Richard Tengu. And you get the other person at Denise Tayon preparer's signature. So you can get here, you get under penalties of prejudice. I declare that I have examined this return, including accompanying schedules and statements, and the best of my knowledge and belief it is, listen, it is true, correct, and so on. Declaration to prejudice. Now Richard Tengu, now the tax man will file the tax at the camp. Now, just to clarify you, remember say, my trip to Boya, it been a project where they use them for raise money, they're not confused. Now project name, like draft, like what you have to call them, like draft, like whatsoever, like TTOF and so on and so forth. But the company or document where they use them for receive that money, not be MTT, it must be some company entity. And for this case, now Ambazonia Foundation Inc., where they use them for put my trip to Boya. So someone can tell you say, you don't say anything they write my trip to Boya for the. You don't ever see no place where they write, but they give you the organization and all. I don't see and say that the organization do a support be sent in for auditing. Now it brings me to this very important discussion at the camp of Aringo, and I want to congratulate you if I talk other things there. Now when you come here, you scroll that document, you get 34 pages. You scroll the document. If you go take your time, you print them to see the wickedness. When you scroll that document, go down for page 10, mommy and papa them. She don't for your house for any Saturday day. Take your time, buy only data, internet, this thing for only 100 francs CFA. You go do all this what I tell you. When you come for page 10, now 8, 9, page 10, perfect. As I be showing yesterday, now page 10 this. When you come for page 10, you zoom. For the last line for page 10, you will see the amount where Sako, they go tell American government, where they declare, where they actually declare and say, now which that way they raise up. So you see, I'm that total functional expenses, where that Richard Ten will sign there. He sign a waiting. He sign say Sako, they declare, now Sako them can't declare. Say they raise 1,333,000 and some change. US dollars. Mommy and papa them. 1,000,000.33. Now, what happened? But when Sako come, inside the 1 million, Sako cut almost 600,000 US dollars. He hide them for your own special site, or he do whatever. They come now for the audit committee will go form by itself. When Mr. Metuge, he go declare for we the Ambazonian people say he be raising my trip to Arabina 811,000, but when 1.3 million in this or a US government website, not be Eric Tato. So Sakofe chop over 600,000, mark convert 600,000 for CFA. For that time where dollars be 600 or more per franc. Mrs. Sako chop how much? Only 500,000 alone at that time. Even at 300 million. So Sako chop almost 400 million. That's 3.5 million. 350 million. 300. Mamuna ye money where one man take thief and keeper. Then for CFA, then he come. He go talk say my trip have been at 800,000. I see no one that Sako be denied for go external audit. Now when all money comes say, it not be fit ever go external audit. When I see the level for wickedness, now when I see they go bring gangs them, say they can attack every tattoo, but no say God go bring this document. Me all man see am, not be me. I go put the document for website for American government. Me all Ambazonian, they can't see the extent for wickedness. Say we will donate money for fight war. They kill people from Manfred to Ekona to Moyoka to Boya to Limbe to Guzang to everywhere to Kumba to everywhere in Memele, Bialem, everywhere. Sako they can go move over 400 million in high time. Or you have to pay bills and do whatever. Then can't tell them about person at 800,000. Everything inside the 811,000, Sako bring confusion, start set people up. Sako for inside the 800,000, he friend John Egewa way in so he don't fat. John Egewa he won. He take 300 and something thousand US dollar. Means almost $400,000. 400,000 US dollar how much? Now 240 million CFA. Sako he won. He take 100,000 for Plan B. Now I'm saying now 500,000 he and John Egewa don't take and so the money we pay for David remaining at 311,000. Chris Andrew want to take 100 and something for TV. For go look and for the 150,000 for the document for US government talk. Me say Sako the chop for TV. John Egewa Plan B will not exist. Sako the now the wipe over 650,000 US dollars inside that 800 way they actually can declare for we. So audit committee be actually audit now 100,000 US dollars. Sako won. It chopped 1.2 million for a month. Now US government don't chop or not be me every tattoo. It's there for the website. Mommy and papa them listen very attentively. This one way here 1.3 so now money where they go declare where US government say we enter bank account. Not be the one way Aringba they take up for the hand. Where you see Aringba don't run, he go call FBI. Say oh they so tax return don't come out. Now the man will collect money. We have everything. If you call, listen, Mona listen very attentively. God made you sleep. I ain't gonna be careful move yourself for the thing. But people there for Pennsylvania, for Philadelphia, Delaware, all sides on a send for Aringwa. Now I need for the gather that evidence. They won't have done me for cash out. We need more. Me put this year. Now be every tax bring this document out. This all my day for America, for Europe, you pay tax, you know it to be tax returns. All man they pay tax so far they work. So far they collect money, more pay tax. Listen very attentively. Listen very attentively. Me all man know the way the thing they go. 1.3 million or close to 1.4 million. My experience on one thing. You see, if you take that 1,400,000 US dollars, when I over how much money that? Go for that money, take 1 million. Miss Sako, listen. Now listen to me. Assume say, inside that money, that 1 million, that 1.4 million, Miss Sako, I dash Sako 1 million, me chop the 1 million, no problem. Me chop them. Listen to me. Me chop, if I chop, tip 1 million, chop the 1 million. I will not even notice them. It take me only 400,000. If go put that for small bank like credit union, then we'll get that an account when Ambassador put that business. So if you take that money, you go open with one place, put with car wash, put with tire repairs and oil change for instead of money 400,000 or 500,000 for that place. When you put car wash, oil change, tire change, all Ambassador, we don't talk about yesterday. All Ambassador they will know so will get a whole business. They will put that say Amber shop. Or Amber car wash, anything Amber will come for the all man will come because all man when Ambassador for America 90%, 98% they get motor. They wash that motor every week or every 1 month. One man will wash the motor one time. Or every inside 3 months, or man will go wash the motor one time. Listen very attentively. If all we know, man tell you how much you make for car wash, for tire change. Before they get tire this thing for this place, they go tell now. You get a tour waiting for New Hampshire Avenue. You get all what people there for here. You get even that mommy, people there use Bank of America. You go down that hill, you come up for Belfast or some mommy there on the left. My dragon now go for the Ambazonia mommy. When I go promote your tire. Go up for New Hampshire where you want to go for McDonald's where they enter Washington DC. You go for the you see the next tire place. Now waiting, now a tour, now social Ambazonia get them. For DC, all over. Corner that tire place, you get car wash, local car wash when a Spanish guy get away. I don't talk with that Spanish guy, and he make less than $12,000 every day for day after I don't pay workers. Mommy and Papa, if you get car wash, tire, oil change, all man go Sako, you buy weed for 400,000, or you open all the thing. You buy weed even at this pool, this poker where they play, buy with table tennis, buy also a small thing, then put with juice for them and biscuit, chips. We put a cam, they put some person only for sell that small boutique. Only for that play, we get Ambazonia market for it. You put your some even come small oranges, all those things put up for the in play one Ambassador put for the we day for the any man watch to the drive with we go meet up for the we talk struggle. You need to go there. Where we not go there become money, no man not get interest. When we for do this every day, look how much we make up. Do my analysis. Muna see say by this time why the talk why the cry every day, La Republique no go ever do anything for you. Might just go divert a little bit and answer some people say you say ABC has been banned, ABC is live. If you ban man, for example, they be ban consulting for Cameroon, consulting not become for America go live. If they ban you for paper, say not do nothing legally, not mean I say Facebook never ban you except Facebook delete your page. So I don't answer that question. Now going back to that particular fact, if we get that Amber shop, one day, look yesterday I show receipt where I go watch motor for morning time from 8 to 11. I begin number 600 and something person. For one day, and when you open car wash, you get oil change, you get tire repair, not the only Amber that go there, now the whole America. And you open up for DMV area. DMV area get Washington, D.C., Maryland, Virginia, and even Delaware. Now you get neighboring states like West Virginia, you get Philadelphia, the corner Delaware, when a Pennsylvania, city of Pennsylvania. You even get York for here for Pennsylvania. You get all these Pennsylvania states, you get them, all the Pennsylvania cities, you get them. You go up New York, Western are there for day. You get Connecticut, you get Boston, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. All those places are only 8-9 hours, come down 3 hours, 4 hours. You get New Jersey. You get all these neighboring states. What will happen? All man will come weekend, put the entire numbers and they must come now for that car wash, can wash motor, can change oil. That's what they'll be doing. Now for one day, averagely, if you want one day still, someone will come fix motor, fix, change oil, change tire, do this, wash motor, it will spend like $60. If you get 1,000 people where they spend with $60 every day, don't put yourself for $50 averagely every day for Amber market. Every day would make how much? Calculate $50 times 10 and 500 times 100 now 5,000 times me say 1 day times 1,000 would make 50,000 US dollars for 1 day times me say only for 10 days Amber will get 1 million. For 1 month, Ambassador will get 1.5 million. If you cut that into two say expenses, you go buy oil back, you buy new tire, you pay worker, will still get 750,000. For middle, you pay worker, pay life, will get 750,000. You go for 2 months, we go get 1.5 million. We say every Sako tip 1 million, he only give you business for 500,000. We'll not forget any problem today. Just imagine if we are a public for 5 weeks. And by now, how many years? Different businesses, different that very Amber shop. If we go Chicago, go open different one. If we go different side of the whole America for 50 states, by now forget this business all the way. 1 month, Ambassador will generate at least 15 million plus US dollars for this and fight the war. No man over the contribute, no man over the fight. We forget one management, everything for be machine the day, all around the CR, you make Ambassador and the managers for that team, the whole thing, the game change. La Republic for the sea. Only say that money they come in 15 million every month. La Republic for the Rika back negotiation. But now they also the struggle, division day, psychology can for interest. I want to ask you one question. You can coach Eric Tato. Think for yourself. You be there America, don't make audio against Eric Tato. Go for IRS website. Go look for yourself. Say, truly, is this not wickedness? Say, we raise that kind of amount for money. Sako not only can lie, we do it for the 800 and we can declare. So, I get some more issue with my, I think, some teacher for Apple, my network. So, all of this year, I don't know if everybody, if you get me, let me know, because similarly, I've got a small interruption. I don't know what's going on. I hope we are back. I hope we are on. So, when I see the kind of situation, so, how will I feel? Wait to be the temperature. If you think, if you imagine, the level for wickedness. More just be serious. More be honest. You for the Sako, every Sako one tenor for corner White House with that kind of business. We for stay Amber for even get the own helicopter. We forget Amber boats them for water. We forget all kind of things Cameroon for the fear. Like today, so for the swim for money. You know why they make draft? They do fake draft because now propaganda. See how much way, like now our TV station, Ambassador TV will make all ABC. We forget now, TV will pass CNN. Why my vocation also they watch Amber TV? Or for the Act series, we'll make Big Brother Ambazonian. So the first man will come out $100,000 US, will get the money for Gian, promote our own culture. But we saw they I propose them for these people. But we saw they today. We saw they today. At the top will pain for my heart because all when I be the see, that be the struggle for this revolution for raise money. I go all place, do all things, take all kind of ticket. But then I feel tell on one thing, say not be too late. We get for Shidong, the division be enormous. But we get for Shidong, stay back, reflect, and see what we get for do. We get for stay back. We look the extent to which this product, look at the thing that for the website. Look at the extent for wickedness for Sako coming. Now Aringwa don't run now go report Sako for FBI. Now I don't take phone call FBI. They don't take phone call FBI. Now so for the has the only can they leak they record it they make the call. They call, record them, phone line. They send them for me. I go play them probably at the end of this show. Depending on how I'll get advice from my people there and my source. Me una hear. But we got to be considerate because I don't say for play my audio for anyhow in a crime to for America. But now they don't go call. If the report Sako for police, say hey, this so you had one for tax return. No, this poem must go down. You know, no nothing and so on and so forth. But I think why he's a bigger thief. Because now they go to TV, they cry every day. Ma tell you one thing. Now me and problem. This issue be as serious as death. For say, Sakofi do the kind thing for a people. Anybody get that website for IRS, me put them for me, paste them for this live show. Me all man see them. You know, now why that was sick on your temple, they say, me God bless our president, His Excellency Kwayotabe Jesus, and the other members in jail, our other leaders, them, if they not be sacked, Sako, like if I be see this thing today, I will just command me on the revolution. As I be see the thing yesterday, it will be on my end. But we still get hope because God will already foresee for we. Now, why that way they say, no matter what way you do, when you take your decision, you know, so you be led by God, stand by it. If not, be say Sisiku Ayoktabe, His Excellency, be sacked this a common man. And God to bless we. The international community don't since they recognize that only Ayoktabe, no matter the old way, the pigs they make them. Now is the time for you. For she don't open your eye, go for the website, Mommy, Papa, All My Dad America, Europe. Open them, call your sister directly. All man is here. It's a shame, it's a disgrace. Say Sako end up this way. All things be exposed. He go bring a friend Metuga for UK. For can't say he don't do audit. Everyone talk say, oh no, they don't audit. Sako go for audit. When I don't see now the real document now. When I say when I don't see the real document now. The real document don't come on how much? 1.3 million something. 1.3 million something. Other groups and then the suppliers don't have already registered with the IRS. We will bring more documents and see how they chop on money. For me, as Eric Tato, my role where God be designated me for this revolution. I feel talk say I don't fulfill them 100%. Because for bring out this kind of information, I want to thank one of our sisters the way he give me the lead. Narrate me, follow me up today. Because when I be here, tell me I not be believe. It take me go and look at all, verify everything, go on for IRS website. Yesterday I almost collapsed before I can live show. Yesterday I almost collapsed. So not ever feel say where they fight revolution. You hear the caution, you feel say you give up. No. When you live on the path of the truth, stand for the truth. What are the activists and then when they come to be active, they support Sakona, and they go looking for website. 1.3 million plus. Over 1.4 million. One man they can cut 600,000. Can tell we will give our money. He prefer to go tell the US government. Now he own person, own Irene go away. Now he go sleep for hotel then. Now he don't run for go because FBI they so you know say America the way case of America they negotiate. If you give information first, they will say judge will sorry you because I know tell Irene what they do. He don't call so report so that I don't even play the audio because they won't take now this show so that you see. Even this man said that we reported. They will take and say, now in that, I mean, we're going to negotiate for court, say, no, the truth now say, it be called. And then judge will start saying, and say, the woman gets some extra remorse, he gets some extra. Now, so, I think we're already buy a way out. Support don't remember me, because it's coming out. In the report, so that way, go for case, will say, oh no, if you don't want to report, you ask for American justice system, you didn't negotiate. They tell you get information, okay, give we negotiate with. They catch every man with a drug dealer, so they negotiate. You see, because American government work on the principle of higher good. If you be drug dealer, they catch you. Okay, they say okay, we'll give you amnesty. Give you the rest of the category all information. If you walk the way it up, we'll free you. But they say the information. So I think they already know the thing. It walk ahead of Sakodem. See, Pastor Tata, wait here, we now Manda will use business card. When I go to Konosi and all for them. They swap card them, swap card over say, so don't spend so for here. Don't chop the one. They go split one for hotel. They lie say refugee. They give refugee and they amount. I deny no. They because they give 150 something thousand for TV. If you day for that Bank of American transaction then. When I be deny no, but now in that don't go declare for American government for website. All two I be talk show all the bank documents. They don't go declare and not themselves. But when they come and say everything on alignment. But wait here. God nothing ever let it picking them down. So Ambazonians, we look at 1st October they come. We don't talk. Now I'll go for back when I want to watch me. And you know thousands. We will go for shopamber.com. Anybody know that website me right down for here? We'll go there, we'll go pick what t-shirts them, select what t-shirts them, place orders. So that by 1st October, I don't already receive my own box. I will open at any of these days and I'll see the video. We all will get t-shirts. All man go get t-shirt. All man get for must get t-shirt. Me all will remember very well. Just 1 minute, I get for block some one person here. Something NS. I get for block another person very quickly. Just 1 minute. So all we will obviously get what t-shirts in. 1st October. Yes, www.shopamber.com. Me all man go for that website, look the t-shirt we want them, look whatever you want them. Now our own marketplace that. Me all man go there, go check and place your command. Buy one t-shirt, 10, 20, place them, send them. So that way it come, if you divide on neighbor them. All man, whether for your house, you get to celebrate your own 1st October. Anywhere they go to see Amber, them celebrating everywhere. Everybody get to make sure say he get a t-shirt. All man when Ambazonia. We not go rely now for fighters on the ground or people because ground is very dangerous. We will never diaspora. All man must wear Ambazonia t-shirt on the 1st of October. Everybody dress your house. If you make your own 1st October celebration inside your house, post them for your page. The whole place get for the shirt now Amber, everyone on Facebook and WhatsApp status. So why some of you would come out there for come march for White House or for Black House or for which embassy? All man will get t-shirt to use them for your house. So that the website at www.shopamber.com. Now that put on band already know the right now. We say no all man www.shopamber.com. Now that for the go there, find the website, look and you get difficulty, call people, ask them, buy your own t-shirt. Buy cap, any put away some for the flag, ring, any two is some, even a hair tie, even a hair, beer, any two in Amazon, the right Amber day. You don't even need a computer. I like some t-shirt, the right Amber, then under the right Zonia. Very nice. All man forget them. We celebrate. You can get it anywhere in the world. Go for the website, go find out, ask them. You'll surely get customer service number, call. All we. Another thing don't come out when another Ambazonian brother for UK don't bill and they call and say Omojami. He did like Instagram, like Facebook, like WhatsApp. You get on Zoom this thing Omojami. All man for the fine Omojami go subscribe. We go for the bill our own product and now we change the dynamics. We quote ourselves, reach out to the international community with our own products. So everybody, God forbid, there. All of us. So 1st October, you did Delaware, you did New Jersey, you did Alaska, you did Connecticut, you did any side for the world, Massachusetts, you did New Mexico, Iowa, you did anywhere, I don't know, Rhode Island, North Carolina, South Carolina, you did West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Delaware, New Mexico, at the cost one and two times. Book your flight, now me all bit of Washington here. You come out there, you make sure, say you come out, make we join for show the world from White House. Say, yes, we were the Ambazonian people. We don't rely on mommy there for ground. Papa them. Now, so some people, if you shop or meet refugees, and if you put money together for print refugees that own t-shirts, them, it's easy. Even a black t-shirt, you don't need to take the Ambazonian flag online. You print them for there. You put only the flag. Me all refugees, well, we get to change the dynamics. Will you prepare now? So we'll do the live show tomorrow. So first, we can announce them. Like Chris and Oka talk say, we have not asked anybody to wear amber flag because the man, you know, they normal. Anything where they talk, him can oppose. Every talk say everybody should wear amber flag and march on the 1st of October. Him can make audio. Say you have to wait until the interim government will tell you that you should wear the amber flag. I'll give interim government no. So me all we will know. At the talk, do I be happy? Say all people the from Ambazonia, the eyes don't open. When I don't see money, we don't lose them. Yes, we not remain all time for seek the money, the regret, but we talk about the money. Now we say the talk say people will not contribute. We get for shut down, we devise new means for see how they contribute. But we must talk about them, expose the shortcoming for this channel where we give our money when I sacco, expose the people then when I sacco. We must stop me all man know, but we not be encourage contribution. We not be discourage contribution. But we must encourage people to get information. Me they know. Now you see sacco the Okoka talk say don't bring some new ones. They want draft for humanitarian. Listen. Now one channel they will encourage any man to go put money for humanitarian, and that channel is dark. That day, it work with Aya Foundation, it work with the Benin and Babylon Foundation, it work with all foundations them. Sako don't finish now, they go draft, fake draft for TV, they draft fake draft everywhere. Now they don't can talk say they want draft for humanitarian. They don't go declare, go look how much they declare for tax, they give refugees them. Hundreds and thousands of dollars. Est-ce que Sako don't ever count, they can use on one refugee cup rice? But they don't take on a name chop money, Sako take on a name refugees and prisoners. It take on a name chop 600,000 for America. 600,000 US dollars, I convert them for France. CFA. You convert them for France CFA, you convert them for Naira, you will understand where you stand. You will not say military will displace you about Sako your advantage. So that me I hate the open. This thing, listen, my talk, you know. Even my mommy, be there for that Sako place, he chop that money. Ma talk the truth. You know. Enough, if I stay one house, we are a movie for game. In my mommy. If you can't do that, you know if you do that kind of thing for poor they die. You cannot. So I could take 600 times say refugees this, medication for refugees, he chop them. 600,000 US dollars be equivalent to how much? Ma convert for CFA. 500 or 600. If you get 100 1 million, go give you 600 million. Divided by 2, will give you how much? Will give you 300 million. They can take the other 100 now, we'll come on 60 million. Me say Sako chop 360 million for him up. On a for a year, we don't know how we chop. On a for hotel, or chop na. You wanna even go to bring the user and go to give come at the Chinese girl for Switzerland. No. I don't know. Because I don't actually understand how some human being feel wicked for that kind of level. They will say, oh, every time they only can call Sako name, no proof. God help me. God so kind. He take proof. He go put them up for online. The most credible organization or arm of government for America when it comes to money, IRS. Ask all man, where is the stimulus check for America where it give all man unemployment, everything that he pass through IRS. They need job with Uncle Sam for the country. They need job with Uncle Sam. They need job with Uncle Sam for the country. My show now one thing Mona see, so that Mona understand. I'll go for inside my own personal transaction. The Mona see, I'm just for elaborate, so that Mona see which way at the top. What people there must be, they must get available information. Information must there for what people there. Just give me 1 minute, I'll come there. So just keep sharing as you join. You know, say God, the way God operate, my brothers and sisters, is very difficult. Absolutely difficult for any man for say if he food and Brazilian people. Anyway, I'll be finding a cash flow for inside my own transaction, but unfortunately I not see them. I'll be screenshot and put us on place. I need to see them. So I won't show now why, because when you get business account, you get cash flow, your bank will show you, say the year, the period, you don't make so, the 3 months, you don't make so. I won't just show them. Without a chance to put the political situation in proud and so on and so forth, but fine steps are not see them. When we get a situation like this, all we get for Shidon for reflect. Now, moment, we will get for Shidon for reflect. It be very, very, very important. And but people don't see. All man don't go website don't put him up so. All person don't Shidon so say God. So this editor to be talking true, you don't need for cry. Now when I be talk say, we are hate for editor to be temporal. But if you hate person because you misunderstand the person and they get focus on justice, you be the way proof. You don't get proof enough. Now why that all more for remember for the track? I'll go ahead. So for 1st October, all man get for go online for shopamber.com, www.shopamber.com. You go for there, you go buy your own t-shirt. Bring that. If you get 10 picking for us, 6 sister-in-law, all man get for wear t-shirt for 1st October, and you get for go now today go order them. Me all man. Shopamber.com, not be my website. I don't care for no wait till it happen. But wait till I know that say, every line a Chinese man on the website, every line a Ugandan man on Ambazonian, it not concern me on a group Ambazonian. Wait to be important and say, I feel testify say you will receive proof the way will help or promote revolution. And the amber t-shirt, now the amber cap. I don't care when Amazon get on, I will get on so long as we fit go and the website get our name. And from my investigation, as I receive my own box, it shows our Ambazonian brothers and put the idea together and we'll get for go there. Because the t-shirt, you need actually pay any money. I say they help or make sure people they get products and for various places. So all man go for www.shopamber.com. You go purchase your own. We're going out to the ADF. I don't hear some old Joe will play them. Another one comment on the issue when it concerned that some one guy with that go down there with the call Mad Dog. But when I don't hear old Joe, some person can claim say na ADF they do this na Yabacho kill the man and so on and so forth. And that audio commander for Sako Ekam, one Ambazonia wait on one Ambazonia ugly on Ambazonia Bobo no. He make audio the try for and I saw the pigs they share them. You know, when you do something, you feel they harm some person. You increase the person. Because when you go talk for Bamen that say na ADF, he kill General Mad Dog, na Yabacho do this. But when Bamenda put the day when they know the two happen, all Bamenda put don't just say, hey, Mr. I saw this Sako put it on the license. So you can't lie because you just feel you go do audio. The essence for audio. If you do some propaganda, you go help revolution, but not do audio, if you put you need check facts. How many times every time you make audio? I get the highest contact for WhatsApp past most of them. But I need make audio. Hardly make audio. So the one can make audio say, oh, now Yabacho don't go kill the Mad Dog. Naturally, I don't want to comment about Mad Dog. But I will take a few minutes for talk about that. Normally, glad when person die, even including police self. And he can't celebrate die body. When man don't die, come me bad, just either she don't quiet or not talk. Just leave it. Jesus kind of withdraw for say, allow the dead to bury their dead. More not behave like a tongue and you power, they can't say, we shall bury the bereaved. If you say, all my stand for they be bereaved. You say, family member, if my just talk about pidgin mommy, when they say, Mawe die, they call and say deceased. Mawe he cry, Mawe die, they call it say bereaved. So I think and you poor because talk say you will bury the bereaved. So if you talk say you will be powerful, PK die, they go for bury plus the Mawe don't die. Thank and that man too. Well, anyway, the thank God for a comedy. Without said, person will talk say na Ayabacho kill Mad Dog. But not be true anyway. Ayabacho don't know nothing about Mad Dog. And for people who don't know, I'll just talk briefly. Now, why I don't tell Egg of Sea? Today I hear and I follow Akosin Raymond, when the new spokesman for Egg of Sea as an year, officially and authentic. He talk. When you listen Akosin Raymond, he talk. You listen Ayabacho, they talk. You will know say, those two people them. And then Dr. Ayamba, that will Benedict Kwa, you know say, if it try to put Egg of Sea for some scale. But once they leave the other man for China, where they like, the man they person they take and make experiment for crazy people there for psychiatric home. Once when I leave the cat talk on our behalf, all the way Akosin go talk today. Ayabacho talk yesterday. The one Benedict Kwa talk after Akosin, and the one way Dr. Ayamba will talk. Capo Daniel use 5-minute video. He make all and look like clowns. Now whatever today I listen Akosin must start share them. When you see the talk, you see the composure, you see the sincerity, it will give Egg of Sea some level of credibility. If Egg of Sea don't know, all the other people they talk apart from the people on them, or every surround the Canada they way they make like man way with due respect to anyone don't suffer meningitis. They make like man way you want vein for a bucket on cut. That's what they make so. When you Akosin talk today, first time I hear he talk revolution, talk Ayabacho, defend the organization with prestige. You listen them, you know say some hope day for some organization. So you must now understand exactly the situation. Me all man know one thing, every time to not ever hate no man. I must only put them for where it will help your own body. And all man must know. Look what happened with Mad Dog. You know why the pigs they get courage for can't talk say na Ayabacho? Because the very man for China don't go talk say Mad Dog. You know sometimes when you listen, when even your best fighter fall, you listen population reaction. You better should not make no statement. Sometimes they will silence are the best answer. Because all my we don't follow the talk for ground. Generally, Mad Dog they not be like it for Bamenda. If you don't know. I don't care when I will generally associate it to nobody. Because if it already been a true one, if they harass people, take money, if they do all kinds of things, so population sell it out. One of a military, one of a war, I don't care for get details where that, but then they talk evil about that man to an extent. Now, whether I seize the opportunity for tell population say yes, rise up. Any population or community where any man is harassed in the name of Amber, una get the blessing from God. And for Mami Happy and the people that don't die in this revolution, for gang up and catch the people do anything I want to do them. If I want to make sure so I disappear them, they disturb our community peace again, they better. No Amber fighter, not going to be seen as being repugnant to community peace. Yes, no one. So what happened with Mad Dog ever shown an example? If any person call himself Amber for an area, for a village, if you go home and take that job, take that money. Get the right, go report for any side, no say if he help for solve that insecurity or that security challenge. That is how it's going to go for us to be able to be mommy they get their peace. So by no mean I say when something happen, your wrong can talk say, oh, the Mad Dog na Ayabacho they kill it. Ayabacho they go kill Mad Dog again, who be Mad Dog where Ayabacho they go kill it. That's the problem. But you don't see now that Capo man go wrong can talk say Mad Dog was this, he sing glory and stuff like that. Now like the public do this. And so on and so forth, you give the room. She don't quiet. Listen for your people the way they get censored if you talk. Because if I don't tell egg of C, today I can't defend her because I know the fact. Tomorrow when I do wrong, tell Kato and I say this thing be wrong. Now when I need coach editor on the clap because I praise Ayabacho, because I praise Akosi. That's why they operate. Because I hear the audio they come frame Ayabacho up. I said no. You not be the man of peace, justice, truth, and love. Then you see I'm saying because me, I not be Ayabacho fan. Me don't get for any man head. And I not be fan particularly for any Ambazonian per se. But we walk in the spirit of love. We walk in the spirit of lightness because of people that attitude. Because what they stand for. That you got to be a fan for truth and justice. Then you get an icon and a symbol that represents you. Like plenty people if you say every cartoon a person they talk true, they come for a platform can watch them. So AGOV C must make sure say if we want to get any form of progress, these 4 people them we are namer. If they talk on a behalf regularly, go help una. We are not people in order for talk English. Me they can't talk now revolution this. When I put some they remember for pidgin level. Some they even know how to talk pidgin. You know the right talk say you write on behalf of AGOV C then you write 10 words, 11 get mistake. Means you work on a deficit of words spelled so far. These are the things that are crucial. You know, we get man where the students was going to school. The students did not went to school. All his sentence get mistake. Then you can't talk say if you represent your group. And you talk say you want to talk about international system, international diplomacy. You don't ever see, go look even to a poor write about regional election and stuff. Look, they small communicate. They take time, edit them. You will hardly see communicate with Bia write them. They put a sign there. Except the way you go Twitter for a Facebook page. But the way you write them like official document where they file them. My man, you hardly see grammatic mistake. They need joke with document where they represent authority or symbol or organization. Go see what Daphne Yerima the right vice president. Go look this thing they write. Categorically. Look when Mute Taka right. You see all things they clean. It's no mistake and they talk because I support for them. And they read all those documents because they use them for news. You see how they write all the word contextual, everything be clearly spelled out. You see paragraphs. I'll show now some example for which way Yerima release them. Mona see them. So that me put not talk say Eric Tato. I won't show now. Match show the first thing so that Mona they see. You look at okay. What's the document the way Yerima released them recently? Vice President for. I hope so. I'll get the document. I'll pull it out. We talk about the bike issue. motorbikes. I'll get her out. Just keep sharing as you join. So look the document. I will pull it out. I think it will be up somewhere here. Very good. Excellent. See document. Look at like that. How many paragraphs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paragraphs. See address. You know some person can sign for under and only you get my signature. Interim government see. Well arranged. Now date this for 6 September. Because for example, if I want to write story for the team, yet you get my right. The interim government of Ambassador is alarmed by the recent communication from the appointed colonial mayor of Bamenda City. You know why he write mayor of Bamenda City? You need to write mayor. They can write Bamenda City Council because mayor the only represents city anywhere in the world. So when you describe someone as a mayor on a normal pronunciation, but they can't say mayor. When you describe someone as a mayor, the next place where in a jurisdiction you need to add council there. For example, you never say mayor of a Mojok council. Wrong. English not correct. You got to be a mayor of a Mojok. The mayor of Limbe 1. Not being a mayor of Limbe 1 council. So you see, now the thing when I read Yerima, I ask myself, say, the man gets sense. Because he write like, he just say the research, any joke for me, he make no mistake where he write. When any person pick the man, he daphne, why that way, international community must ever recognize this Seseko group. Because the people, they meticulous in their outing. They need joke with their writing. So far, whether they will have talk, say, Yerima be slow for doing it, but for writing an organization for international diplomacy and news, anything, this is the best. Take for example, if I pick the document, I know they call Yerima and say, excuse me, sir, when did you release this document? And they find me. Because everything there for you, think I write. If I want to write now professionally, here do I go write them for news this thing. I'll say, okay, the interim government, a major rebel group fighting for the restoration of independence in Cameroon's 2 English-speaking regions said, Thursday on whatever date, September 6, 2020, that it is deeply concerned. You used to hear him talk. The date they did. Everything. Look at the paragraphs. It'd be very important for me to use this our channel, this medium for educate other ambassadors by citing a good example. So, AGOFC must move up to that level. Even I don't talk severally. I know look like Dr. Cho. I don't talk severally. Even the way the Akos write and he write better. See announcement very brief and nice. I people pull them out. You see, with a brief, nice paragraph. So now the Dr. Cho they can write 60 lines for one paragraph. Who's going to be reading that? You got to break it down. Paragraph. Look how Yerima write. You any sentence where Yerima make a way bring a new sense. He put a paragraph. And that's what they teach you for news writing. Paragraph. It be one line. One line. Now paragraph. You feel like you can't understand. He was 65, the elder brother said, full stop, because I want to introduce the age. Now one paragraph, I go for the next line. So when I look the way these people they write, now the thing that one, now one of the things where diploma they pick and they look at. Any man will pick the document from the agreement go take keen interest for change the talk. But look at when Christian will write, he need put date, he need put address, he need put nothing. The egg of see even go try write, Kapo go take, say he go write on top of pigeon. It's ridiculous. You kill the organization. To that you use this medium for give me information, for teach me what you want to know from my own level. I'm not the best. But I have the opportunity to teach on what I know. So we all move. I don't give us information how to thief money. No man if you argue because I hand for website for American government. You can't really tell say I take because I be once start do this story where you man make it about motorbike. Because my document look very explicit to me. Very easy to read. I feel read one paragraph, go piece car, cancel at the end for first, second paragraph, they continue. But you know, it make me 60 lines. I don't get time to read 60 lines one time on a blow. It's difficult. So all we must know, just quickly, man, block one, equal in a Danish with Melo Europe, man, just blocking. Yes, Danish with mice. You are blocked. So if you listen to me for radio, that's all about you on this page. So, I mean, so why you can't make notes on my page? You got to understand. You see, with something people always watching me. Thousands of people on YouTube, WhatsApp, everywhere. They watch me, Twitter. You know, we can talk nonsense on the page where it's not really constructive. I'll block you and I don't notice and say any man was blocked. I need 5 followers. So we must remain on the path of the truth. So I want to congratulate Vice President Daphne Yerima. I will just read all the statements. So I mean about that, you know which way the interim government don't talk. As I always tell people, I need the camp talk say the interim government led by Seseko. Elect by discussion and interim government dey. If United Nations, US State Department, they describe say one interim government, no me I talk, go read that anyway. Now one. So we must understand the way this situation is right now. All man is eye don't open. For listen, if you go see the mafia to a Sakodoam. For say you raise money 1.3 or 1.4 million. That is what is showing. I don't know why my cash flow not show for sure now. Because cash flow are money the way they pay for your business account. Bank of America get cash flow. If you see them say 3 months, you don't work on 60,000 or 1,000, you see them for the. When you see them, when your cash flow show, I don't know why we. Just one quick minute, maybe I'll send off my WhatsApp. So when you get your cash flow, when your cash flow show, you know way IRS use them to follow you. But when you not declare everything, they not ever know. You see? So at the end of the day, we'll be very alarmed. I usually read my statement. Very, very alarmed for two Sakodon Duam. Say we'll do raise all that money. Then the man who can go declare that kind of amount. It be very terrible. It's sickening. You know if you understand. So okay, truly, what is going on? That's the question we should be asking. Damn. Please, as you join, you share before I come now for talks on small thing about Aringwa again, and then I go for the next topic. So today, I want to educate our people so that all man when Ambazonia go understand the situation on the ground. Keep sharing. As you join, you share extensively. We'll get everybody. Yes. When you join, you share. That's what you're supposed to do. Just share. Share very well. Anyway, I did really try for pull out, but similar I can't get it. I'll find out. Any day I'll find out, I will show you. So please, me all Ambazonian they understand the situation what they in now. Now the next thing I don't talk, I think I don't advise the egg of sea. If you take them, if you leave them, that's okay. I don't talk about 1st October. I don't talk about the draft humanitarian way. Sako said they want to draft for refugees. I give advice all man now and tomorrow. Say following this tax return, go online. You first go look am for your heart. Look am very well. You see the amount where Sako he don't take am, then he not give back our people. Very good. And we thank Aringwa, we don't take courage for call. Although the call gets zero impact, now we will get to move the steps. We get to move the steps for make sure say we get the strength for push up with this. 1st October, me no man not forget, be very important to repeat them. All we must come out. Washington DC for White House, all we must they will try all we for put a WhatsApp group together so that all man we understand. We don't need for people 100 week 200 separate ourselves for groups. All man will flag all t-shirt. We don't need the whole world. We need just a few committed people. I think without say, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be very happy. So I don't see me all man will no get that document where concern that tax issue. Me go online, go find the document. You want shop forget t-shirt for 1st October. Now the website that way at www.shopamber.com. It will take you go for the. You get difficulty, find out online. So man must don't put the website. So thank all my way to follow the show and all my don't follow the show in thousands in solidarity of the fact say when I hate exactly wait it go on when not be correct. And I want to talk for you say when people they want to do their draft for humanitarian launching humanitarian draft, they will obviously do the scam when I say people they contribute. When I take only down one thing, they figure where they'll claim say they'll hire they'll do them. We will see what they'll do for refugees. The easiest thing is they go buy rice for go get refugees and so that they'll say, oh, the interim government, and the only point they force themselves to be recognized for which it not be. Cameroon kill our people every day. But Sako be get the heart for chop 600,000 for a mop. Hotel here in Aringwa. They'll go Switzerland, they'll carry Chinese, get them. The one where HDO can't give them that, oh, they will take our money, bring them and stuff like that. So it be a pity. But the gladness, now say Ambassador Paul, they don't start get all the information where they need them. And we will continuously bring out the information and we'll continuously encourage people to contribute. For the level for the National Army, we thank all my deceased sending boots and everything. We will not ever forget any man way they think about the way they can promote this army. Tomorrow, I will be live. I will bring a few people that don't contribute for the National Army. I will bring out their codes and I will read them. So that all man know the state where they. We will not ever forget to thank everybody with the watch show, especially for Grand Zero and for Grand 2 and for Grand 1. All refugees, God bless you now. And I'm not thankful enough. This show don't stay close to 2 hours. I will leave and so. If you watch me at this time, in solidarity of the Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation, where it don't help we for bring our issue up for UN Security Council briefing, where we hold just recently, make all man hashtag CDN. Your hashtag CDN. All man hashtag CDN. All man hashtag, I will block one hope issue, it will come out for this page because a black leg. We'll just block you immediately. We will not get time. So now let's show you the watch and Mr. Hope. Goodbye. Thank you. Okay. So that's what we're going to be doing. We'll not get time for keep infiltrators on the page. So move hashtag CDN, we stand for Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiations. We a very good and professional group where they don't help we for bring one matter closest to the world's attention. So all man will watch me at this time, just the hashtag CDN. CDN. Put all man, put hashtag CDN. All man. If you watch me, hashtag CDN. We must thank them every day. We can't tag them. Me all man know where to be CDN because CDN are one organization. We get professionals inside all Southern Cameroonians where they don't dedicate their life for make sure say make these two warring parties and be the come on the table for a negotiated settlement. So thank the people for CDN. We are the leading organization now. We get the highest reputation and respect. Highest reputation and respect when they will help for first Cameroon. For I don't want to talk about these people that say HD. I don't want to talk about them, but all the thank CDN for their commitment. So make all we continuously thank them. Thank my brother Jurista Zama where they wash Zima. Make sure say Ziaman my friend. Sometimes you get little difficult to pronounce them. I don't even make mistake of pronouncing Jurista when I'm insurance broker. So one time my friend to Modesta Maestro where you watch, say God bless you. So me all my hashtag CDN as we watch CDN because God already bless we don't expose the thieves and we'll continue to bring more information about the scandalous end of my trip to Boya and then we encourage you to put them to get a general basket so that all will be able for for get some way forward for this revolution. All my hashtag CDN. I want to thank Jude, Amber Nyonga with the watch. Thank you so. God bless you. Thank you, Sister Grace. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you so much, Terence. All man, the hashtag CDN. God bless all man. Thank you, Charles. God bless you. Thank you so much, Acho. God bless you. Yes, thank you, Agbo. Thank you, CDN. But thank you, Mommy Grace. Thank you once more. All man, Pride. Thank you so much. You're watching from Guzan. God bless you. All man, just the hashtag CDN. I know if thank you enough because look at how many hours, 2 hours or so, and you watch 1.2 plus. The most watched platform because now on our platform and so now continue. Anybody we know share, you have to go back, go share so that me all man get this information about this particular IRS tax return. Or if you go out there, print them, distribute them for people on a meeting groups, me they know exactly. We will block one Jim Tanko. We need to spare any La Republic agent for her. So Eric Tato need the back followers, as you know. So I block any man who come for the page can make noise. With the number of followers I get on for Eric Tato, you go for Telegraph Africa, WhatsApp, Twitter. Trust me, if you not follow me for here, you will still listen to me for YouTube. So you go for YouTube where you know to see the distraction. You'll be blocked from here because we need to negotiate with the followers. I always talk them. I get my following and I God give me because when I love truth. So whether I come here, I can't drink all the water for 1 hour. People will still watch 1K. Not be magic. Because you people trust the truth. That's fetish. These particular followers where God don't give us, nobody can take away from us because we have mutual trust and understanding. So more hashtag CDN, God bless you now. We'll end the show by playing once more our president music, His Excellency Siseko Ayoktabe Julius, where now he declare our 1st October restoration of independence, and we'll continue to thank everybody where they support our prisoners. So we'll hashtag, before we go, all we'll watch, we'll hashtag His Excellency Siseko Ayoktabe Julius. Actually, hashtag, just to put hashtag His Excellency Siseko Ayoktabe Julius till the music play finish, then we'll end the show. You know, it'll be very important because our leaders and I there for jail. No matter the backstabbing, the blackmail, where people they chop our money, they thief we 600,000 extra hide them before they can declare 800,000. Where inside the 800,000, they still chop over 650 or 700. God don't expose them. Everybody don't go for that website, don't go see them. So maybe we'll hashtag His Excellency Siseko Ayoktabe Julius. All man will watch me. Make sure you do that hashtag and we say God bless you, Mr. President. I will play our president music, we'll end the show. And move forget one thing. We're not there for year, now for Sika, Siseko Ayoktabe Julius, but we're there for year because the ideology we declare. And so long as he remain for jail and he hold the ideology up without any compromise, contrary to which we a compromised and broke lawyer, we never win any case, we can't talk for year. We hold our president in high esteem. Thank you so much. We'll hashtag His Excellency Siseko Ayoktabe Julius. Thank you so much. And we'll play music. And we'll say, may God bless you, Mr. President. You know, say, today you're back. Hashtag His Excellency. Yes, that's our president. We got one president, one leadership. Any other thing as splinter group. Thank you so much.
And digital services, American University of Nigeria. I already have a many, I joke, I think it's in it.
Time out. Upstairs. Come back in 5 minutes. All right, thank you all so much. All right, I'm going to end here. God bless you, and I can't say thank you enough. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. All right. So just keep the hashtag coming. Take open the trash. Thank you so much. I will not forget my brother and friend, my elder brother and friend, Metre Nikom. Thank you so much, Metre Nikom, all the way from the Netherlands. So God bless you. Thank you so much.